Hey, I hope everyone's doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your icon and leaflet. On the right, I have a map that's built using tornado data, and I customized this icon. The main functions I'm using is the awesome icons and the add awesome markers. What you're going to want to do is create your icon first. So you do that with the function awesome icons. And you can either use the Font Awesome library, there's the Glyphicon library, and I believe the Ion library. So, like for example, you can go to like Font Awesome, and you can kind of search for their free icons and pick an icon you want. For this example, I am calling my icon beer. I'm coloring it green. I'm using the library Ion. So that's how you really customize your icon. The one I thought that was really good for the tornado data was this ambulance from Font Awesome. So once again, you're creating the icon with awesome icons, the icon you want, the color, the library, and the marker color. And then down here, I'm creating my data set with the leaflet. I'm adding the base map, and then I'm using the add awesome markers, and I'm calling that icon to add that. So I hope you enjoy this really quick lesson on how to customize your icons and leaflet. Thanks.